मैं हमेशा आपको कहता हूँ ना, आपका एक शॉट है जहां पर आप ऐसे खड़े रहते हो, आपके बैक में जितने मसल्स हैं ना उतने पूरी बॉडी में कम है, इसमें भी कम है. Well, I think they deserve a bigger round of applause. You know, it's great to have both of you here, and I think it's that moment where we call Mr. Khan to come and perform for us.
Salman sir.
We're going to have Mr. Salman Khan perform for us, sir. अरे सीटियां बजनी चाहिए, तालियां बजनी चाहिए, ये क्या है?
पंद्रह 20 तो हमारे लोग हैं, उसके बाद प्रेस वाले हैं, कैमरा पकड़ेंगे या सीटियां बजाएंगे? अबे ये क्या है? ये तो मरवा ही देंगे मेरे को. They've forgotten I'm going to be 50. You give me yours. I can't read this shit.
Whoa!
एक ट्रायल राउंड मिलेगा? गंदे गाने पे भी ताली पड़ेगी कि खत्म हो गया. I'll mess it up. I can't do this seriously. I have to sing now. रुक जा यार सोहेल, तेरे को मैं तेरी आवाज से पहचानता हूं. सोहेल ही था ना वो? हाँ. Thing that I've done which was really unfair by singing this song actually belonged to Arman Malik. I need an apology. I mean, I need to apologize to you that I've done this, but it was for the betterment of the film. We need something to yeah. No, because before that you sang 3 songs, they didn't work. Now come,
thank you,
bros, come and help me with this
song, though.
Come and help me with this. 3 voices are better than 1. Background में रखना इसको.
Could we have another mic, please?
Ready?
सलमान, आलोक है फ्रॉम OFM.
हाँ बोलो आलोक.
सर सवाल ये है कि हीरो फिल्म है और हीरो फिल्म का जब भी जिक्र होता है तो एक पर्टिकुलर धुन याद आती है. आपके राइट में कॉर्नर पे हूं,
एनीवेज आप सुन पा रहे हैं तो अच्छा है। तो हाँ, तो वो पर्टिकुलर जो धुन थी, हीरो थीम थी, बांसुरी पे बजाई गई थी, कभी उसके बारे में सोचे आप कि वो भी रखना चाहिए या कुछ ऐसा?
सर, अगर आपने इसके पहले हीरोपंती देखी होगी तो वो ट्यून उस पिक्चर में चली गई. आई थिंक द म्यूजिक वॉज विथ सारेगामा. सो साजिद टुक दैट ट्यून फॉर दैट फिल्म. तो उसको वापस से नहीं ले सकते क्योंकि हीरोपंती अभी हाल ही में रिलीज हुई है. लेकिन you've heard the music today. Subhash ji himself will agree that
you don't miss it. Music is really beautiful. You don't miss. You see, I would say that rather had they used that music, would have been not a good factor in the film. They have not used the music, same music. That is the best part of it, and still it is a hit, and still it's a beautiful.
सलमान,
Thank you, sir.
एक और सवाल है कि हीरो के साथ लिखा हुआ है रेबल्स, लव एंड फ्रीडम. इन तीनों वर्ड्स में कितना यकीन रखते हैं, इत्तेफाक रखते हैं इन वर्ड्स से?
सर, ये सवाल तो आप डायरेक्टर साहब से ही पूछो सर. वो तो मैंने पहली बार नोटिस किया, रेबल्स, लव एंड फ्रीडम.
और सलमान जो है तीनों में से कुछ भी नहीं है.
मेरा कंट्रीब्यूशन हीरो तक के था. लव में है, फ्रीडम में है, रेबल्स में भी है थोड़ा. चांदी की डाल पर सोने का मोर, ताक झाक ताक करे नीचे का चोर. गेहूं का ये नहीं सुना था?
निखिल जी,
ना कि lot of singers are not getting जैसे now for this film अभी where's Amal's song, they wanted some established singer to sing. So I said, why? He's composed the song, he sings the song really well. If Himesh can sing, if Vajid can sing, then why can't Amal sing? When his own uncle sings, and uncle's voice is so really good. Different voice. So why can't Amal sing? And I also thought financially it is not fair because he's composing, Arman is singing, Arman is doing shows, Arman is chapoing, and this guy is only sitting on the console and making music. तो या तो फिर भाई को दे दो 50%. वो नहीं होता तो फिर भाई भी गाएगा. तो एक फैमिली की यूनिटी के लिए कि पैसों में झगड़ा नहीं हो, कि उनकी फैमिली का ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड अच्छा है. So for that, Amal sang. So he got a chance. Like Palak, for example, she's been singing since the age of 4 or 5. And do you know what she does? With her money, about a week ago, she has done 800 surgeries, pediatric heart surgeries. So this is what, what being human is. I mean, and she's done it on her own. Without having a foundation, she just started a foundation. So on her own, she used to make money and she used to put that money towards kids with heart conditions. So when I got to know that, she's a damn good singer. So I just thought that if she's doing such a great job, I mean, there are lots of singers who are coming in. Why not give her a song as well? So then she sang for Ek Tha Tiger. Now she's chapoing. But the money is going to a great cause. So every film I make sure that, there's something or the other of Palak. Not because of this thing what she's doing, because she has got an incredible voice and she takes it very seriously and it doesn't go to her head. Also the reason for singing is that he sings and this song becomes a big hit, people will have confidence in giving newcomers songs to sing. It all depends on the tune. It doesn't depend on the singer. An idiot like me just sang a song, yeah? He's got 12 million hits. I don't know sur from any angle, yeah? I don't know beat. He's Gaya. Gaya. Arey kahan aata yaar ye? So most of the songs I've sung without even the music. They've done the tempo for me. He sing it and I used to repeat it. Wajid used to sing it and I used to repeat it. Himesh used to sing it and I used to repeat it. So all the songs that I've done with them has been done like this because I'm not a musician. I don't know. I've not studied any music. Which I will do now since I'm singing. I'll have to do that. कि सवाल क्या था यार? हाँ, Hiral, do you remember the question? हाँ? क्यों गाया? इसलिए.
Nikhil ji.